Hey guys, Junior from Ascend AI Solutions here. In this video, I want to talk about 5 costly cold email mistakes that high ticket B2B businesses make and how AI can solve them. If you're using cold email to land more clients and book more appointments, it's really important that you never make these 5 mistakes. And I'm going to go through each one of them now. So let's get into the video. Okay, so mistake number 1, sending generic, non-personalized emails. You see, generic emails, they get ignored by decision makers because they receive hundreds of them. And people can easily spot when you are just copy and pasting a simple template. And lack of personalization makes emails feel impersonal, and irrelevant. How does AI fix this issue? Well, with AI, we can scrape and analyze publicly available data, and we use this to personalize emails. We personalize the first few sentences of the email. References to company news, LinkedIn posts, and specific pain points. You want to make it out that you've done your research, and that's what founders and CEOs and people that you're reaching out to. That's what catches their attention. That's what makes them respond and show interest in what you have to offer. Creates highly tailored messages that feel custom made for each recipient. So if you're not leveraging AI in your email outreach, you're definitely leaving money on the table. Let's go into mistake number 2. Mistake number 2. So targeting the wrong prospects. So even well-written emails, they won't work if you're targeting the wrong people. If you've got a list of generic people that aren't your target audience or aren't showing the correct pain points that your ICP has, then your message is literally falling on deaf ears. That's essentially what you're doing. And many businesses waste time contacting people with no decision-making power. I can't count the amount of businesses I've seen that are sending emails to the secretary and not to the founder or the CEO. Poor targeting leads to low response rates and wasted effort, and we all want to be rewarded for the work we put in. So how does AI fix this? Well, let's go through it. AI-powered lead enrichment ensures that outreach goes to qualified decision makers, obviously. With AI, we can scrape job titles, company size, and intent signals for better targeting. In some of my other videos, you would have seen me talk about a concept called pain-based targeting. And that's where, instead of targeting people who we think might be interested in our specific service, we can target people who are actually looking for a solution, and we know they're looking for a solution because of a specific pain signal. Or what kind of pain signal might I be talking about? For example, posting of a job. So if I am a digital marketer and I need more digital marketing clients, instead of just emailing thousands of businesses, maybe I email thousands of businesses that are advertising for a new marketer or something, and we can pitch our services like that. We can use AI to say something like, "Hey, I saw that you were looking to hire a marketer for a fraction of the cost. My digital marketing services can offer you this," and that's just an example of what I can do. But um, yeah, so that's pain based targeting. We can do that using AI. We can scrape for these jobs that people might be advertising, and it eliminates the guesswork. So we know that the emails are going to the right people, the right decision makers. Let's go to mistake number 3. Writing long, overwhelming emails. I can't count the number of times I've seen that. Like, the first thing that comes to my mind, I mean, I'm a recipient of cold emails as well. And, as soon as you see lots of words, and you're already busy, like, think about it. If you're a founder or a CEO, you got lots of things you're doing. As soon as you see like a huge paragraph block of writing, you can't wait to delete that that email, right? You want to make your emails work. like more work for for your ICP. Um, and people don't have time to read them. Long-winded messages feel like a sales pitch, and they get ignored. And key points get buried. You just got to be straight to the point. So how does AI fix it? Well, we can optimize the structure of the email using AI for brevity and clarity. You can prompt AI to write the email, and you can tell it the exact parameters that it should use, and you know how it should write the email. We can shorten sentences. I don't know about you, but I often use AI like ChatGPT just to shorten write like things that I've written. Like I might tell it, hey, take this thing that I've written and make it 200 characters. Like the amount of times I did it, and you do that automatically with AI when it comes to cold email. And then also A/B testing. So you can test different versions of your copy to find the most effective messaging. That's how AI, that's the AI secret sauce right there. So let's go into mistake number 4. So that's ignoring follow-ups. You know, you can't just think that your first email, just because it hasn't gotten a response, it's because the person's not interested. Especially a CEO or a founder, they're very busy people. There could be a myriad of reasons why they haven't responded, and so you're leaving money on the table if you're not sending a follow-up. Um, the amount of leads that I've been able to close just from literally the third, like very last email that I've sent, because I've sent the third email, and it's closed because simply the fact that they hadn't seen the earlier one. So it's definitely worthwhile. 80% of sales require at least 5 follow-ups. So there you go. And many businesses give up too soon, losing potential leads. So how can AI fix this? Well, AI will automate the follow-ups at scale as well as the outreach. So we can automate follow-up. We can adjust the follow-up messaging based on their behavior. So another thing that we've been experimenting as well is when people respond, we can now get AI to categorize their responses into positive replies and negative replies. So AI is literally reading their response, and if if it's a good response, we can get AI to do other things. But that's the type of scale. We're literally moving closer and closer to AI agents, and soon there'll be AI running your email campaigns. Isn't that scary? Um, and also AI can help resend with different subject lines, if emails are unopened. So that's just another tactical thing that AI can do. Mistake number 5, not tracking and optimizing your performance. So if you're sending cold emails, you got to make sure that you're tracking your open rates, your response rates, your engagements. It's so important, because how are you going to know? And and here's the thing with cold email as well, is that um, no one is the perfect cold email copywriter, um, you know, straight away. Um, it's the best performing ones are the ones who have had lots of experience in split testing. Um, and the best cold email agencies are the ones that have a lot of data, and they use that data to their advantage. So if you're not tracking or optimizing, your open rates, response rates, you are leaving money on the table. Um, and without data, there's no way of, like I said, knowing what's working. And lack of optimization leads to stagnant and declining results. So how does AI fix this? Well, AI powered analytics. So we use AI literally with the analytics, and we can track which subject lines are working best. We can split test call to actions. We can split test a whole bunch of different things, and we continuously refine the email strategy for better conversion rates. And yeah, that's essentially what I wanted to cover in this email. These are the five mistakes that a lot of businesses make when they go to start using cold email in their outreach. For me, cold email outreach is the best medium to me, because it's the only medium where we can target decision makers directly at a large scale. You can't really do that with content. You can't really do that with paid ads. You can't really do that. I mean, you could do that with warm outreach, but it's, you know, it's about who you know. But we can do that quite easily and at scale using cold email outreach system. If you're looking to fill your calendar with more appointments, more bookings, we are offering a 5-meeting trial or your money back guaranteed. I can show you how this all works and the systems needed to run it, and you'll never have to worry about not having your calendar full ever again. And I hope you found some value in this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.